Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is the June Boxycharm box. So we will be going through all of the products. I'm gonna be trying them on, letting you know my thoughts. This is gifted to me. Shout out Boxycharm, I love you so much. But we are gonna get right into it. So I have my eyebrows, my foundation, concealer, powder. That's it. That's all I have on my face, and eyeshadow primer. So last month there was a whole lot of skincare, and so it was kind of hard for me to really test out the products and let you guys know my true thoughts. But today is the opposite because we have a lot of makeup. So I feel like it's a lot easier for me to get first impressions and to decide if I like something pretty quickly when it comes to makeup versus skincare. So the only thing that's not makeup in this box is this, which I just put on my lips, even though it is an overnight mask. And this is from the brand Eyeshadow. It's an overnight lip mask, and I just put it on as like a lip balm for right now, and I really like it so far. It smells like coconutty, which is nice. Give your lips that extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. This retails for $19, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on, just like clear, so no color. And then I will try this as a true overnight mask tonight, but so far so good. I'm gonna be clipping this stuff back because I just got my curtain bangs recut, so they are mighty short, and we don't want them getting in the way of all of these face products. So I'm gonna start next with this, I think. And this is from the brand Brow Bar. So this is an eyebrow product. I did put my eyebrows on already, but don't you worry because this is a Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter. So this is like a two-part brow highlighter pencil, I guess. So this is what it looks like. It's double-edged. I might need to sharpen those, no biggie. So let's read about it because I don't usually highlight my brow bone very often. And if I do, I just use eyeshadow or something. So this says, star in your next bright-eyed moment with this 2-in-1 highlighter featuring a velvety cream finish and another with a touch of diamonds. I guess I'm gonna use the matte side first and then go over it with the shimmery side. I don't know. So here goes. Should I do this after I do my eyeshadow? Probably. That's okay, we're just gonna do it anyway. Okay, so, and then maybe blend this out. I'm totally guessing here. I also don't ever like carve out my brows or anything like that, so this is pretty foreign product for me, but that's okay. I just feel like this is like 2 extra steps that I don't personally need. That's pretty though. Okay, so I'm just gonna, whoa, that's bright, popping. Okay, I like it. And then I'm kind of just gonna, again, blend it out, I guess. No, I mean, it looks pretty, but is this a necessary step? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. I like it though, honestly. I mean, I do highlight underneath my eyebrows. Like I said, I just usually go in with like a shimmery eyeshadow. So would I purchase this? Probably not, because I have eyeshadows the same color. But I mean, it looks nice. My brows definitely look more like, I don't know, chiseled and just like prominent, I feel like. So not a bad product at all, just not something that I personally am used to, but cool, cool. Okay, I guess we're just gonna stick with the eye area here because I still have a couple more products to use on my eyes. So I am going to start with this. So this is from the brand OPV Beauty London, and this is the Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. I love the packaging, very pretty. And then here's what all the shades look like. Very nice. Can't go wrong. You got a little bit of everything. You got your browns, your shimmers, oranges. So I'm gonna speed through this section, let you guys know how these work, how they blend, all of the tea, and I'll be right back. almost done. I have one more product that I have to use, but I really like this eyeshadow palette. It was super easy to blend. I kind of went with like an orangey red look, and I really liked putting this color D-plug all over the lid at the end. It's really nice and like pretty subtle, and everything blended really nicely. I'm really happy with it, and I really wanted to use like some of these blues, but just today wasn't my day. But hopefully one day I'll have the cojones to incorporate a little more color into my looks. But highly recommend. This was a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I've never heard of the brand OPV Beauty before, but let's read a little bit. So the Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, smooth, buttery, highly pigmented, and retails for 40 bucks. So that ain't cheap. I have another eye product that I'm gonna use, and then I will be done with the eyes. I'll slap on some mascara. So this is from KVD Beauty. This is the Dazzle Stick, and I actually have another one of these. Oh yeah, this is the one that I currently have in the shade Lightning Strike, which I really like. So it's just like a metallic eyeshadow stick. I love these. So this one is in the shade Hail Surge, and I did look at it a couple days ago, and it's brighter than like the bronzy one that I have. So this will be nice on, I'm like thinking inner corner area. So funny story, it's a little distorted, but not the fault of KVD. So I was at the shore last weekend, and then I had no clue that this was being delivered to my house while I was away, and it was so freaking hot. It was in the 90s the whole weekend. So I came home, and I not only had a Boxycharm box on my doorstep, but also a Sephora box. Luckily, I didn't get any makeup at Sephora. I just got skincare stuff, so everything was fine. And I'm so lucky that nothing melted to like complete liquid, but this definitely something happened here, but that's okay. I think I'm still gonna be able to use it. So I do already like these, and I do know that because I have one already. I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna use my finger. So it's really nice. Oh my. Okay, so I'm just gonna, wow, that's freaking intense. Wow, I really like that. I like this shade a lot. That's really pretty. I'm just gonna take that on the entire lid. Matter of fact, give it a like wet, juicy look. I love that. That just like amped up the eye look totally. I'm so upset that it's like melty. My bad. But these retail for $22, and it is a long wear vegan eyeshadow stick loaded with brilliant flecks of multi-dimensional pearlescence to deliver prismatic color in a flash. And it definitely did that. Just like that, we are at the last product in the box, and I'm very excited to test this out. I did open it and look at it the other day because I wanted to know what I was getting so that I could kind of plan out the video. So this is the Touch and Soul Glowdient makeup palette. This retails for 34 bucks. It's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Love that. So this is gorgeous. I mean, just the packaging alone. My camera overheated, so I went ahead and did some eyeliner and mascara, and I kind of went a little like foxy with the liner. I kept the lower lash line completely bare besides the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to get into this last product finally, and look at how gorgeous, first of all. I'm going to, actually, this is pretty shimmery, so I'm just gonna throw on some bronzer real quick, just to get a little something down before going in with some shimmer. And then I'm just gonna use the same brush, staying in these dark strips first, and I'm just gonna go over where I just put that matte bronzer, just to kind of glow up the face. Just take that on my forehead, down my nose, add some more on this side. It's definitely giving me a glow I really like. And then I'm just gonna use this same palette for highlight. And then pop that on the top of my cheekbones We already have brow highlight, so I don't even need to go up there. That's nice, that's intense. I really like that, that's very pretty. I'm just gonna pop some blush on because I actually do wanna try that little like blush topper, so I'm just gonna take this blush palette right here. This is the NARS Summer Orgasm palette. Just take that on my nose. And this is already kind of like a glowy blush, so I don't want to go too ham. So I'm just gonna, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. You gotta be careful with that. Otherwise, I am going to look like the Tin Man. So I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and kind of tone it down just a little tiny bit. Hey, that was really nice. I like that a lot. And that retails for, did I say $34? I really like I said, palettes that you can use for multiple different things, especially when it comes to traveling and stuff like that, because it really consolidates a lot of your products into just one little thing. So super love that. Touch in Soul, I just recently started using, with the primer from a couple months ago that I still really love. I love this Icy Sherbet primer. But I just have to throw some lip product on, set my face, and then we will be done. Okay, we made it. I am so happy with how my makeup looks. Gotta check the teeth before I start talking too much, but I love this look so much. So on my lips, I use ColourPop BFF lip liner with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade On Mute, and then the lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss of all time. I bought this when I was watching Scott Barnes do Tati's makeup, and it's the Victoria Duke Beauty Dramatically Sexy Lips in the shade Hottie. This is like the best nude, juicy, sexy lip gloss ever. Just to quickly go over everything, the Spotlight eyeshadow palette, super hit. The Dazzle Stick eyeshadow from KVD Beauty, loved it. Touch in Soul makeup palette, this guy, loved it. Overnight lip mask, haven't used it overnight yet, but felt really good when I had it on during my makeup. So liked that, liked the scent, liked the consistency. And then the brow bar thing, the eyebrow pencil was nice. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the final product, but to me, it's not something that I would consistently add into my makeup routine just because that seems like a not super necessary extra step. But I liked it, so I really liked all of the products in the box so much. And I mean, I will continue to use that brow pencil because I have it, but it's not something that I would go and repurchase myself. So let's add up all of these products and see how much the box was worth this month. All the products in the box came to $131, which is a lot of cash money. And as I tell you guys all the time, you are paying a fraction of the price for the actual box every month. And what you're getting is top of the line makeup and beauty products that you can find at Ulta, Sephora, Target, and some of these brands I've never heard of before, and it's super fun to discover new brands and new products and support smaller indie makeup brands and things like that. So I love how this look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with a new video super soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support, and I will see you soon. Bye.